Here I have HUAWEI Nova Y70, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes, select slow-mo here, and now let's record something in slow-mo. So I'm just gonna spin this toilet paper, but in slow-mo, so it won't look silly but actually really cool. So let's get it. Here I go. You won't believe me, it looks just insanely cool. So let's check it out. And as you can see, this toilet paper rolls in slow-mo. So goddamn cool. Just like in my favorite Hollywood movies. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.